Everybody wants to be a cat, because the cat's the only cat who knows where it's at. Everybody's picking up on that feline beat, cause everything else is obsolete. Now a square with a home makes you wish you weren't born every time he plays. With a square in the act, he can set music back to the caveman days. I've heard some corny birds who tried to sing, but a cat's the only cat who knows how to swing, who wants to dig along a gig or stuff like that, when everybody wants to be a cat. Every time he plays, but with a square in the act, you can set music back to the Stone Age days. Everybody wants to be a cat, because a cat's the only cat who knows where it's at.